Take a listen to this melody, and as you do, listen for how the articulations are shaping the feel and the overall character of it. Hey, what's up? I'm Avi. Welcome to May Melody Madness. In fact, the very last day of May Melody Madness, where I was celebrating the release of my course, the Melody Mastery Mini Course. More on that at the end of the video. Today, I want to talk about the power of articulations and how keeping them in mind as you write, especially if you write on an instrument, is going to help your melodies sound so much more musical and lyrical and just overall better. As you notice in the melody here, we had some solid articulations going on. We have the staccato here that's repeating in the second and third beat of every bar here. And then for beat 4, 5, and 6, we have a nice legato instead. An articulation is when we change the way that we play a note on an instrument. For example, these staccato notes should be played short. We want to create space between the notes. And these legato notes should be played as if we were trying to create a continuous sound, like there's no space at all between the notes. The combination of these two articulations, particularly because they're in such close proximity, really makes them stand out. Let's put this to the test. Let's take away all the articulations and see what that sounds like. That's a pretty big difference. Wow. Those articulations truly change the way those notes are played and how we get to the notes themselves. The big thing that's changing here between the staccato and the legato is the attack of the note. With legato on a bow, you are keeping the bow going as you change notes. It's similar to a hammer-on or a pull-off on the guitar. However, when you don't have a slur line, and especially when there's staccato notes, you are actually striking each note with the bow. And with staccato, you're making those strikes even smaller, giving more space to each note. All right, let's bring back our articulations because, oh boy, that was kind of rough without them. Let's hear how this sounds maybe by taking this last grouping of 16th notes and just having them be staccato instead. Very nice. I really liked that, actually. It really changed up the feel and kind of made me feel like we were just kind of dancing up to that D. And that felt really cool. So there you go. That is the power of articulations and how you can use them to make your melody feel more alive and feel more dynamic. If you want more melodic tools, check out my free video training, 7 Ways to Write a More Effective Melody, where I share you those 7 tools in just under 40 minutes. If you want to go even further and check out the whole reason why I made a bunch of melody videos in May, you should go ahead and look at my Melody Mastery Mini Course. There I distilled all the melody tools I learned in music school and everything I learned teaching my clients over the years and to put it all into one neat little package so you can just get up and running, writing amazing melodies as quickly as possible. Head to justwritemusic.com to check out both of those. However, if you want to see how I wrote this melody in the first place and how we created this ending for it, check out the video that's popping up on your screen now. Thanks so much for watching and for hanging out with me today. I'm Avi. Don't forget to be awesome.